in Pennsylvania, and I don't know if you can see that, but that person is literally from Alaska. How is that even possible? Okay, we are almost completely out of gas, but I gotta make one stop, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and then we'll finally be able to get fuel. Hopefully my truck will actually make it to the gas station now. Otherwise, I'm gonna be stranded on the road and I'm gonna have to walk home many, many miles. So I'm now at the grocery store, and I just got some organic energy drinks. More energy, fruit, fish. Yeah, well, I guess you can say that the lifted truck is a grocery getter. Dangerously low on fuel, and we are near very, very congested roads here today. Oh my gosh, look at that spec. It's beautiful. Color match with cab lights, man. $262, not today, man. Come on. Give me that $1.99. So this guy's trying to turn over his truck and it's not starting. Already signaling me to leave. Old Ford won't start. Oh man, I don't know if you can see that, but that Ford is leaking something. What do we have here? How could someone leave something so valuable? 9 gallons. So it's about 60 bucks to fill this tank, and yeah, that guy with the truck over there, his truck won't start. I don't have any jumper cables. He did come and ask me, but if I had some, I would help. And there's actually a guy over there that's gonna come down when he's done filling his gas to help him out, so it's all good to go. And just like that, we're all unloaded and ready to go. So let's see how this pans out. I had to fly to catch up to him. Check out this lifted truck. Lifted Chevy, bro. I need one of those mountain houses one day. If you can see, there's a big red one by those antennas. That's some kind of big mountain house with stone lions. But what I've noticed, and I noticed this when I was pumping gas, and I've thought of this for a while, the only real downsides to having giant mud terrain tires is just the little rocks that will always get caught in the tread. The tread's so big, and you'll go on gravel roads, off-road, you'll get little rocks stuck in your tread or little pieces of wood, and it happens all the time, and I always have to like knock them out. But I mean, hey, benefits exceed the costs, right? All right, guys, I'm here with Gabe. What's up?
What's up, dude? About to go shoot some guns.
So what do we got here, man?
Well, the guns are the subs.
Subs.
12-inch Orions with a 3,000 watt kicker.
It's awesome, dude.
Thumps.
You ready to go?
Oh yeah.
All right, we're about to head to the range. Gotta grab mine from my Silverado pickup truck. Gotta get out here and make this quick mission complete. Ah! All right, here we go. Gotta grab it out of the Chevy here, get it back here. Yeah, I never told you guys that I loaded it up. Got it way down in here. Sketchy, somebody's watching, so. Gotta make sure to lock it. All right. Oh. What?
Flipping on the trunk a little bit there.
Yeah, my bad, dude. On your $80,000 car.
Shipping her up.
Right.
No.
He just said that this is an Acura NSX.
NSX. It's a 94. It doesn't. That's why I don't have anything but a CD player.
Well, it's a race against time now. Sun is setting, but we are going to get there. What do you think, dude?
I think we're gonna make it.
Look familiar, guys? We just drove down that road the other day to make that one video about gas mileage of both trucks. Doesn't look like there's that many people here, dude. Have it up here.
Since we'll be the only ones down there, look, we'll be the only ones down there.
Have it up here. Oh yeah, there's people. Look at this Duramax. You guys are saying anything, I can't hear you. Got my earplugs in, but here, just gotta grab some stuff. Walk on down.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, I'm gonna grab all this. Probably gonna have to leave something. Got mine right here. Just got this right. What? All right. It's pretty cold out here. Oh.
Pretty warm.
So I got this last summer, and I never really made a video or anything on it or about it, but I got it now. Yes, it's awesome. Traded a for it. Yeah, I never actually used it yet, so it's going to be a first scenario here. And then in my pocket, I got this. It's pretty awesome. Are you sure that this is compatible here?
I mean, this is a pretty old. It should be good. How old is this?
I don't know.
You'll be good. You'll be all right. Solder tight. It's a little light. You'll be good. There you go. The left target's yours.
Pretty close.
Be a side-by-side comparison of a 45 versus a 44. Right after you.
What?
This is the jack, dude. That's a failed.
It's not good. Better do
There you go,
make
bro.
a return.
Nah. Yeah. Yeah!
Call of Duty.
Yay. You're good. Go.
Nice. That's the one, dude. That's the one! You packing up?
Sunset, man.
Yeah, we gotta go. See how we did.
I just smeared this bullseye off here one-handed with that knife. Not really, kinda.
So you're a good shot.
No.
Go in the army.
What are you, a recruiter now?
So yeah, man, maybe we can work out a deal for some of the...
50 cents.
It's freezing, dude. I'm like shaking.
Let's get going.
Alright, you want me to grab those?
Yeah, grab the rest of them.
Alright, let's open this up. Goes. Yo, yeah, I'm rocking the beats right now. It's pretty chill out here. Yeah, yeah. Finish this drink because I can't even hold it. Gotta get out of here now. It's freaking cold. Eventually, I do want to have enough land to just do this in my backyard. It's always been something I wanted to have. I love America, bro. Damn, that engine's loud. That was awesome, bro. Nice, dude. Guess we better get back. Holy crap, it really got cold.
The sun is completely down behind the mountains.
It's been a good day. I got a lot of stuff planned for tomorrow, so definitely check in for that. Yeah, definitely a new kind of video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take care.
Have a good night, ladies and gentlemen.
How's it feel to be famous?
You tell me.